Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member.
Right.
However, yesterday, sir, you were
I
not
understood.
there.
No, please.
So I am bringing to your notice 1 minute.
Yeah, please.
Half second.
No. Take half a minute. No problem.
No, 1 minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct is not in order.
Right, sir. Once I heard you in rapt attention.
Violation of the rules.
Right. I heard you. Kharge, please.
This suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house. And, sir, 1 minute. All members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this. But this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
Right.
So,
I heard the LOP. Let me clearly clarify it for the sake of the understanding of the House as well as the nation. The Rajya Sabha is a continuing institution. And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266, even other residuary powers also. Chairman can take action and also the House can take action. What happened yesterday is not chairman taking action. It is the House, after a resolution is moved, that has taken action. And also, please, hear me, please, hear me. Even about these members, on 10th August, go through the records. If you want, I will ask that to be released again. 10th, we have named members. On 10th, we have named members. We have requested them also to go to their respective seats. I appealed. Please, Ramesh, when the chair is speaking, you are not supposed to disturb him. I heard the LOP. Right. Okay. Not the House except the opposition, some opposition parties. Okay. I agreed. And then one minute coming. No, please sit down, no, please. When a chair is speaking, don't interrupt him. It will not go on record. I will not call you again. When I heard him fully, these people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The deputy chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. And 11th, no, you say no. You say no. I am not doing it. Please. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please sit down. Sit down, Mr. Venugopal. This is not the way. See, you try to mislead the House. You disturb the House. You ransack the table, and you also throw the papers on the chair, and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table, and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. The motion was moved. It was approved. Action is taken. It is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all. I'm not considering. Juror about the flood situation. Juror Mr. G.K. Vasan. Issue of heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Vasan. Please sit down. Please sit down. Very important issue. Very important issue.
This is a matter
Yes,
of
what happened in the House
importance
earlier was a matter of
regarding
democracy. That's why action is
I
taken.
call the members to hear this. Tamil Nadu is reeling under heavy rains for the past 1 month. The state of Tamil Nadu
Mr.
has
Vasan.
been severely affected.
That has been disposed of. Please sit down. Please sit down, Mr. Suraj Sivan and Bitter. Please sit down. Otherwise, I have to. Please. Mr. Vasan. Mr. Vasan, you conclude. What you are saying is going on record.
Sir, Chennai has not seen such a rain for 100 years, sir. Chennai and surroundings. The northern districts of Chennai, like Chengalpattu, Kanchipuram, Thiruvallur, have received heavy rainfall. Lakes and reservoirs have been overflowing, sir. The streets of Chennai
That has been
is
disposed
overflowing.
of.
The Kaveri Delta has been completely damaged.
Please
The
be
farmers
seated.
are suffering today,
This is a
sir,
public issue
because
of
of
floods.
continuous rain. The southern district like Thoothukudi, Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram has also not been spared, sir. Schools and colleges have been continuously
No,
closed.
please go to your seats.
Roads and bridges
Please go. This
have
is
been
what is
damaged,
matter of
sir.
democracy.
Sir, though
This
the
is
central government
what has happened earlier.
seen, sir,
Go to
the
your
right
seats.
time, the
Go to
Tamil
your
Nadu
seats.
Government needs
Don't
assistance,
precipitate
sir.
further action.
It is a challenging
Don't
job
precipitate
for
further
the
action.
Tamil
Go to
Nadu,
your
sir.
seats.
I request the central government's team to come again and inspect, sir, and restore normalcy by giving financial aid to Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
Right. Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson. On floods.
I'm
floods.
associating with that.
You associate.
House, kindly
No,
restore.
no, that has been solved.
I'll speak few minutes.
ये सीधी तस्वीरें आप तक पहुंचा रहे थे राज्यसभा की, ये सीधी तस्वीरें जहां पर